This video is going to show you how to set up your company information, which would be your parent company. You will first go to Settings and then Company. Enter in the details of the name, address, phone number, email, and so on. And then on the right-hand side of the page is where you're going to choose File to locate your logo on your computer. If you have more than one location, then this is where you can upload the logo that will appear on all location invoices and so on. If you have more than one location, then you will be uploading the logo under the Clinic Logo field. And then when you're finished, just select Save.